Hi, Phoebe. You look orange. And far away. Phoebe, so how do you feel about this day? How do you feel about this day?
Great. What make you star? No.
Phoebe, how are you feeling right now?
I use wood and then wrap lights around it.
Robert. Dad. Mom. Karen. With me. Ow! Ow! Your elbow. He's buzzing. Get out!
It's not.
I want to make a cake.
What kind of cake?
Birthday cake.
A cake.
Jesus.
What?
Yeah. She has to be this size.
We have a momentary
It has to be this size. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's for this.
Are you serious?
It's because what do you mean?
Full-fledged.
No, you.
I stole something out of someone's purse.
Really? No.
What?
What old scale you?
You're
going to jail. Sorry.
Yours.
Yeah, wait.
Phoebe, how is
I don't know what you. No.
how is Christmas decorating going? Horrible. Look at her. Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, I know why it's not working. Besides that, I think we have to screw back more. So it can You okay,
Oh,
Phoebe? fully get in. She's not okay.
I got spirits in my eyeballs. Spirits in my eyeballs.
Well, I think I said back.
Ow, it's hot.
Ow, it's hot. Here, let's hold it to her some more. Ow, it's hot.
Ow, ow. It's burning me.
No, don't put it in your nose.